Okay, so I have a faulty IR beam, and when I press the button, as you can see, it constantly says beam active because it's not detecting that the beam is faulty, so it's thinking that it's working, and it prevents the gate from closing or opening. And in order for me to bypass this, I had to take a wire and bridge permanently, because I don't want to replace the IR beam. So in order for me to bridge the close, this is the open and this is the close. So the close is over here, the open is over here, and I had to bridge that with a comb. So there's a comb right here where these are, but there's also another comb down here. I decided to use this because I have less things over here. So basically you can take a wire and bridge a comb to the open and then a comb to the close, or you can also, what I did here is I just took a comb and made it one wire that goes into the open and will also go into the close as well. And as you can see, when the wire is not connected, the light is turned off. So once I connect the wire, then you can see that the light turns on. Then you can close the screw, and once the screw is tightened, you'll see that the light is on for the safety on the close and the open. And this is basically bypassing the IR beam. So I've got the comb over here, and from the comb it goes to the open, and from the comb it also goes to the close, and now my gate can open and close without it stopping because I have a faulty IR beam. So right now, even though my IR beam is not working, it's faulty, it's bypassing that and it's still opening and closing. And I can also open it. And close it again. So if you have this problem where your gate is not closing or opening and it just says beam active because your IR beam is not working properly and you want to bypass that, you can do this, but bear in mind that from now on the IR beam is no longer active until I remove this. So until you remove it again, the IR beam is gonna not work, but your gate motor is working without the IR beam.